It's the Power FM Morning Show on 89.7 Power FM.
I love the fact that people are, because it used to be that marathons were just marathons and you just, did maybe the triathlons or something like that. But they were pretty just straightforward. There was no antics or anything that went along with that. But now they're doing like entertainment type of things along with the marathons. I mean, you have, the ones where people throw that dyed powder stuff at you, or, you're doing for all sorts of different charities and that type of thing. And there's one now that I'm just reading about. It's called and it's actually, it's part of racing. They've kind of combined like NASCAR and children's toys because it's Extreme Barbie Jeep Racing. Now, these are those vehicles that you'd buy for your kids when they were, 3 to maybe 6 years old, and spend $78,000 on them. Not much. Maybe not that much, but it felt like that when my kids were that young and all three of them wanted one, And, but they don't get used as much as you as the parent think they should, considering how much money you've invested into this toy. And so now they found a way to recycle this, and that is to let teenage boys, it looks like from the pictures here, use these in extreme racing.
So these are motorized Barbie Corvettes and or Jeeps?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And
the little ones.
And they are remote controlled.
No,
but they're tricked out later. They weren't remote controlled. They were just the little girls had to push them around in their little rooms.
They weren't they were not the tiny little ones that you're thinking of. You can actually sit on them. They're the ones that are bigger than, you see what I'm saying?
Okay.
Do you remember these? Were these
a small Jeep that for one person?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. And no, you're not
I must have missed
controlled.
That. That must have been during the 90s.
Probably so. Well,
I didn't have
my brother.
Yeah.
I think my brother had one when we were younger, but it was the very early model.
Oh, okay.
And I don't think you could have done any sort of extreme racing because the battery lasted for about 45 seconds, So this one, I think the batteries may be a little bit better. But yeah, they have a little pedal and everything. I mean,
sure.
Like a little gas pedal there.
They go like 2 miles an hour?
Something like that. Hopefully not these, though, because they go downhill on these babies and they have to wear helmets and the whole 9 yards and are just, it apparently is pretty.
Well, when you first described this, I was picturing them just actually putting Ken and Barbie in the car, but it would actually, they could drive it and to see if they could stay inside the vehicle when they were doing those really tight turns.
No. I mean, that would be another kind of race that you could possibly do, but this kind of kicks it up a whole nother level where these teenage boys.
Because if the teenage boys were involved, they would be really trying to, Barbie and Ken would not be wearing seatbelts.
No.
And they would be really trying very hard to see if they could turn that corner tight enough to get them to fly out.
Absolutely.
And have that on video.
Have some sort of damage going on there. But I really like this better than, say, video gaming, because it's kind of, if you think about it, this is what they're doing in video gaming, but they're actually doing this in real life, and they have real life consequences, like they flip the vehicles themselves and that type of thing, which is the reason, of course, that they have to have the helmets, and they learn about safety as opposed to just their little player dying and they get another player like you do on video games like that. So I don't know. I just thought it was I think it's a great recycling method for these vehicles that, again, were just a tremendous amount of investment for just a little bitty short amount of time for those kids.
But they don't work. They have to put a motor in them. They're not battery powered, are they?
They go downhill. So
they're just coasting the whole way. It's like Cub Scouts in those little racers we did.
It's like getting one of those hubcaps and oiling the bottom of it with a certain sort of spray and going downhill in the snow, where you just like there's nothing left but like some scorched stuff.
I'm sorry, I got very confused because I was thinking we went from marathon to small Barbie-sized Corvettes to now something as big as a John Deere
no, it's not as big as a John Deere thing. But I mean, a kid can barely fit in it, by this point. But I like the recycling thing.
It's 7:40. Good morning.
89.7 Power FM.